About the cycle.
Fine. So the depression over east central and adjoining southwest Arabian Sea and Lakshadweep area, it is moved northeastwards with a speed of about 15 km per hour in last 6 hours. It is intensified into a deep depression and laid towards, that is centered around 11:30 hours IST today on 10th June 2019 near latitude 12.5 degree north and longitude 70.9 degree east over east central and adjoining southeast Arabian Sea and Lakshadweep area. Basically, it is 250 km northwestwards from Amini Devi, Lakshadweep, and 760 km southwest of Mumbai, that is Maharashtra, and 930 kilometers from southeast of Veeraval, that is a Gujarat state. It is very likely to intensify further into a cyclonic storm during next 24 hours and into a severe cyclonic storm subsequently in further 24 hours. It is likely to move northwestwards during next 72 hours. If we concentrate on the Goa region, the effect of this depression and after becoming a cyclonic circulation. Basically, on 10th June, the squally wind speed of reaching 50 to 60 km per hour, gusting to 70 km per hour, very likely to prevail over east central and adjoining southeast Arabian Sea. And over Goa coast, it will be 35 to 45 km per hour, gusting to 55 kilometers, and very likely to prevail over this region for 12 hours. Basically, its movement is from south. So, South Goa is mainly going to be affected, and then frequently North Goa will be going to affected. Basically, this cyclone is just parallel to Goa coast. It is not going to strike on Goa, but because it's a parallel to Goa coast, the wind speed will be very high and the clouding will be much more and thundering will be very much intensified. That's why we have given the warning for the severe weather rainfall for next 24 hours to the South Goa as well as to the North Goa.
It will rain very heavily in north or south.
It will rain heavily?
Will it rain? It will.
will
Yeah. एक मिनट आता हूँ.
No, so people who are living near the coastal areas,
Yeah.
any warning had been given for these people?
Already warning is given. Moreover, over the telephone personally I called all the authorities to take the measures.
What about the disaster management? Have you
Disaster management also we have sent the packs to them already to take the precautionary measure at the coastal areas of your south coast as well as north coast. We already informed them via email and fax.
So which are the authorities that you have spoken to?
Now I have spoken one. That's right. It is better to not to take the names, but
Yes, sir.
So this is the observations that we are getting using the latest state-of-the-art equipment that we have, that is for Doppler weather radar. What it does is it's actually scanning the atmosphere around Goa. So what we are seeing here is a range of around 500 kilometers. So these images have been taken from the morning itself. So what you can see here, image by image, we can see the cloud patches coming from the south. So what we have a situation is like in the east central Arabian Sea we have a cyclone. So the cyclone will be bringing air as well as the clouds from this side, and the clouds should be moving in an anti-clockwise direction. So image by image, if you are checking, you can see that the clouds are coming from south and they are slowly rotating. So there is somewhere around 700 or 800 kilometers from Goa, there is this depression, the system is there. So because of that, the clouds are forming, and because of that depression's pull, that cloud is rotating. So what we can see is slowly by slowly the clouds are coming from the southern side. So the South Goa region must be, by now itself they must have started receiving rainfall. Slowly, steadily, within 1 or 2 hours, even the Goa region will affect, like the North Goa side also will see some clouding. By now South Goa must have already started receiving light to moderate rainfall. So we have issued nowcast warnings for that also. Now what I will show you is another image that will be for 250 kilometers of range. So here also you can see a bunch of clouds formed all around Konkan side. So all these clouds, like I told, they will all be moving in an anti-clockwise direction, starting from south. If I play the animation from here, you can see the clouds coming. At one moment there was no cloud at all in this Konkan region. So one by one images, if you are playing, you can see that the clouds are approaching from the south. They are getting intensified. The entire Konkan region is becoming active. So this scenario is expected to continue till tomorrow because of this intensity of depression, which will again intensify into cyclonic stage.
The intensity of rainfall will be very heavy.
The intensity, like we have issued isolated heavy for North Goa and South Goa. That means 25% of the stations in North Goa and South Goa have a greater probability of getting heavy rainfall.
Next 48 hours.
Heavy rainfall, no, 24 hours. Heavy rainfall means whatever rainfall they are getting beyond 7 centimeters in a 24-hour duration.
Heavy rainfall warning is also issued. Advisory is also issued not to enter the sea, and we are also informed to the local authorities to take the precautionary measure in order to save the life of the people.
What is the intensity like?
Intensity of
Intensity of storm or ability to getting Goa or the whole coastal?
we can talk about the intensity of the wind. It will be 35 to 45 km per hour and gusting to 55 km per hour. Yeah. Wind will be.
What is the distance from the depression to hit the state?
That I already told you. So this depression is 760 kilometers from the southwest of Mumbai, Maharashtra, and 930 kilometers south-southeast of Verawal, Gujarat, and it is 250 kilometers northwest of Amini Devi, Lakshadweep. This is the distance from
It will
this.
make a landfall in which state?
First of all, it is formed in the Arabian Sea. It will move towards the northwestwards, and it will hit to the Gujarat coast,
Not Goa.
not Goa. But it is moving parallel to Goa. That's
Parallel?
what, parallel to Goa.
What is the distance? Parallel means 90 kilometers.
Parallel, no, it may be more than 200 kilometers.
200.
But because of that parallel movement, the cyclonic flow, what or Rahul had shown, that cyclonic flow is going to affect, and it is going to give a very good weather and thunder activities and rainfall over the Goa region.
Isolated places.
Not heavy rainfall also it is going to.
Throughout the Goa.
Throughout the
Because,
Goa.
yeah,
Throughout the Goa.
throughout the Goa, because it is going to be, now it is a depression, it is going to become a deep depression and cyclonic storm and severe cyclonic storm, and that will then cross the coast.
So any alert has been issued?
Alert, only fisherman warning is issued for us. Alert will be issued by ACWC Mumbai for the Mumbai region and Gujarat region.
So Goa particularly there is no risk at all.
Pardon?
Till today there is no risk from the
This
depression.
heavy winds will be blowing. That is the basic risk.
So what advisory can be given to the locals?
Already we have issued the advisory to the fishermen not to enter into the sea.
The residents, any advisory? Well, close to the coast, living.
Yeah, all bulletins have been already issued to the authorities.
Cyclone means
कसं असतं मुलगा जन्मल्याच्या अगोदर आपण नाव देत नाही ना, जन्मल्यावर देतो. जसं सायक्लॉन डिक्लेअर झालं की नेम
अरे तेच तर बोलले.
पिक्चर बना रही है.
वन मिनट जब मैं बोलूँगा तब स्टार्ट करना, ठीक है?
okay.
अभी स्टार्ट करो. फाइन.
Video journalist Abhijit Jadhav from Panjim for HCN.